Welcome back. In this video we will be discussing a medication that has helped millions of people around the world with their erectile dysfunction. We'll be talking about its benefits, how to use it, and its potential side effects. So, if you or someone you know is struggling with ED, then keep watching. The medication we'll be discussing is called Sildenafil Citrate, also known by its brand name Viagra. Sildenafil Citrate works by increasing blood flow to the penis, which helps men get and maintain an erection during sexual activity. It is a safe and effective medication that has helped millions of men worldwide with their ED. One of the major benefits of Sildenafil Citrate is its ability to provide quick and effective relief for ED. The medication can start working within 30 minutes of taking it, and its effects can last up to 4 hours. It's important to note that Sildenafil Citrate does not increase sexual desire or libido, it simply helps men achieve and maintain an erection. When it comes to using Sildenafil Citrate, it's important to follow your doctor's instructions carefully. Generally, the recommended dose is 50 mg, taken 1 hour before sexual activity. However, your doctor may adjust the dosage based on your individual needs and medical history. It's important to never take more than the recommended dosage or use the medication more frequently than directed. Like any medication, Sildenafil Citrate does have potential side effects. Some common side effects include headaches, facial flushing, indigestion, and nasal congestion. However, these side effects are usually mild and go away on their own within a few hours. In rare cases, Sildenafil Citrate can cause more serious side effects such as sudden vision or hearing loss. So it's important to contact your doctor immediately if you experience any unusual symptoms. So there you have it, the benefits, how to use it, and the potential side effects of Sildenafil Citrate. If you are struggling with ED, it's important to speak with your doctor to determine if Sildenafil Citrate is right for you. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, be sure to talk to your healthcare provider. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.